Didn't quite make it all the way. Hello! So, in 3 days time, I am heading to the United States of America and I'm very, very excited. I'm going for 2 weeks, so I've got a lot of clothes I need to bring in that time. I'm gonna be taking lots of photos, so I wanna have options, and I figured I would film a little pack with me video because Tara did one a while ago and you guys seem to really like it. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about my trip as I pack. But basically, first things first, I bring up my suitcase, dust this bad boy off, and I also have my carry-on bag. I'm not sure how much of this I'll pack today. We'll see how we go. I just got my hair done this morning, which is why it's super blonde. Let me know if you guys like it. But anyway, on topic, to the packing. When I'm preparing for a long trip, I usually start by laying out everything I need. This bedroom used to be Tara's before she moved to Melbourne, and now it is my studio slash office slash packing room. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull out all my stuff and lay it on the bed, sort out some outfits, and see how we go from there. Okay, so I've just been through my wardrobe and picked out some things. The reason they're in a giant messy ball like this is because I was carrying them nicely before and trying to film myself holding the camera, and then I dropped all my stuff. So, the struggle of packing whilst trying to film it. So what I'm gonna do next, these are just kind of like packing cells and stuff, so I don't need those yet. But I'm just gonna lay everything out to make sure I have enough clothes. Okay, a little bit of context. For the first part of my trip, I'm going to be in Las Vegas, which is very exciting. I've never been there before, but it is currently like a high of like 40 degrees there. So I've gone for very lightweight clothes. I've started rolling some of it already. This is stuff that I definitely know I'm gonna take. I've got swimwear, pajamas, and gym gear. So far I have 3 tops. I've got this black singlet. I really like this because you can dress it up or dress it down. Plain white t-shirt, and then this like off the shoulder puffy Zara top, which I've had for like ever and wear it in so many videos, and I'm sorry you're probably bored of it. And I also think I'm gonna put in my Ethics and Aesthetics white t-shirt, so then I'll have 4. To go with the tops, I've got a denim skirt, this little silky leopard print one, and then some shorts for something a little more casual because I am going to a music festival. Oh yeah, I also have this dress. This is really pretty and it's nice and lightweight. It's great for when it's hot, and I feel like I can wear that out to like brunches and like some daytime lunches where I still want to look nice. So far I also have 2 pairs of shoes, sandals because it's going to be stinking hot, and my beautiful Everlane sneakers. I think I'm actually probably going to wear these on the plane and bring my sports shoes, and I feel like I need a dressy pair of shoes. This is stressing me out now. Okay, we have a few more things that I'm working with. I am decided this is gonna be like my cocktail evening dress. It's a very long dress that I thrifted. It's originally from Country Road. It's just got a very simple neck with some pleating. And I just said before, it is going to be very hot there. But I think I'm just gonna bring one jacket in case it gets a little bit colder in the evenings. I could potentially end up taking this all the way there and then not even wearing it, but I think it's better to be safe than sorry. For the second half of my trip, I am going to be going to New York, which I'm so excited about. I just love that city. I've never been there before. It's just so magical to me, and yeah, I'm so excited to be going there. Like, it's a very pinch me moment, and I'll be by myself for that part of the trip, so it's a little bit scary traveling solo, but I just thought while I was over there, I have to take the opportunity. And when I looked about where else I'd want to go in the US on my trip, I was immediately like, I have to go to New York. So that links to this next item, because this is like my very Carrie Bradshaw inspired tutu. It's very Sex and the City vibes, and I would love to wear this in New York, but as you can see, it's quite big and puffy, so I feel like it's probably really impractical to try fit into the suitcase. But for now, I'm gonna put the option out there. It's going in the pile. So I've added to the shoe collection my sports shoes, which will be great for working out and also doing lots of walking when I want a little more like comfort than these ones. And I'm also bringing these shoes for when I have any evening events. The other thing I'd really like to fit in is my hat. It's this really gorgeous one from Will and Bear, but I don't know how that's gonna fit because I really don't want to wear it on the plane because I did that last time and it's a bit of a pain. So I'm gonna leave all of those clothes behind me and kind of simmering for a bit. I'm gonna think about them, decide if there's anything I don't want to take after all, and now I'm gonna move on to packing some of like my beauty, my skincare, my makeup, probably like my chargers and tech stuff. I will say though that I'm probably gonna be using this stuff in the next 3 days, so I can't like pack all of it right now, but I'm just gonna make sure everything's like fitting and going in the right places. First thing I'm gonna pack, which I can see right now, is my hair curler. A few things I have added to the suitcase: my hair curler, an umbrella because it has been raining in New York. This right here is my tech case. It's where I put all of my chargers for my camera, my laptop, my phone, my SD cards, everything. It's from the Daily Edited and has my little initials on it. I love it. I love their stuff. I eventually want like all of my travel cases to look like this because it's so beautiful. But as you can see, it's empty. I'm gonna fill that up once I've charged everything, probably on like Tuesday night before I leave. I've also started sorting my skincare and makeup. So all my makeup is in this bag right here. The only thing I need to add to that is some lipstick, but I'll do that later. This little yellow case is going to be my main skincare bag, and then this clear one is going to be what I take on the plane. My skincare is pretty much done. I'll probably put this into a smaller pot because it's quite big at the moment. This zips up really easily though, so as you can see, it fits a lot. It's got my hairbrush, my inhaler, lots of other things. I put a little face mask in there. I think that's pretty much everything, but again, I'll be like washing my face tonight, so I might like have to take this out or whatever. So I've packed my little travel beauty kit in my nice little clear bag so I can get through security. I've got like a little mirror in the back and a toothbrush. I've also got a sheet mask in there, an Elemis eye mask, this little like hydrating mist, a Lancome moisturizer, and Origins eye cream, yeah, a little sample one, some toothpaste, some earplugs. This is like a skin savior balm that I actually got in this like travel kit with a bag. I also have some allergy pills in there because I'm allergic to peanuts, so just bringing an extra pack with me. I always have them in my wallet as well. I also just added a loofah to my little pack. Ooh, stuff coming out of it. And when I found that, I actually found this little Clinique 7-day scrub. So I think I'm gonna bring that with me instead of that big L'Oreal one because I can't be bothered putting that into a pot. I also found these little, what do you call them? Antipodes like sample moisturizers. So this is the Nourishing Night Cream and the Hydrating Day Cream. So they're nice and small, so I thought I'd bring them with me as well. I took these to Italy and they were amazing. So I should be now able to zip all of this up, and that is done. I feel like this is taking me forever, but probably just taking longer because I'm filming everything. The packing process has officially begun. My goal is to keep this side empty apart from my hat, so then I have all this room for shopping and things, which I'm very excited about, shopping in New York. Over on this side, as I said, I'm gonna fill that, but I've put a pair of sandals and stuff behind there. I've got my makeup under here and just kind of trying to stack it neatly. So I'm starting to gather up some things for my carry-on as well. I have my little neck pillow because I am going to be traveling for 24 hours, which is not super fun. I have 2 transfers, so wish me luck. Let's hope I don't get lost in the LAX. I've also got the shoes that I'm gonna wear. Oh, actually, this is the outfit I'm gonna wear on the plane as well, so I might as well put this over here. I've got my little eye mask, my travel skin care kit, and also a little pen. So I'll put that all there. Might put this in my bag. First thing going in the carry-on bag, so exciting. So when I went to Italy, my mum got these really cool packing cells for me from Kathmandu. This one is like a compression one. So like I put a massive big fluffy jumper in here and it like compressed down so flat. So I went and bought another one of those just because I thought they were so handy. Then I also had one of these like ultra light, really thin packing cells, which were really good for like keeping all of your like socks and your undies and your bra. Speaking of which, I need to pack a strapless bra. When I'm editing this, Ellen, don't forget the strapless bra. But anyway, I also got a second one of those. So I think I might start packing some of the clothes that I know I'm like definitely going to take, like my gym gear and my pajamas. this is what I've done so far. I put into this little packing cell some undies and socks, and I'm gonna do some more washing tomorrow and fill that up. And then I put it inside this like slightly bigger packing cell just to keep it tidy, because I actually only have my skirt and one top in here. Underneath that is just my like super compressed thing of clothes, and then underneath that, you can't see it, but I did put my leather jacket right at the bottom because I wasn't sure if I wanted to take it as carry-on or not. So the only thing I kind of have left at the moment is one more t-shirt that is going to go in there once it is washed. Then I've got to put my chargers and everything in there. I might even like put these shoes in here, I don't know, and put like some socks in here so they don't get crushed in the suitcase. And then of course the giant tutu monstrous skirt, I'm thinking I might try put into the compression packing cell, the second one that I have, just to help it pack a little easier. I'm hoping it won't wrinkle too much though. So I might try it tomorrow and see how I go. So that is going to be the last of the packing today. I really enjoy packing over like a couple of days. Like I said, I've still got 3 days until my trip. So I'm going to come back and revisit this tomorrow and sort of do some more washing, figure out if there's anything missing. When you pack over the course of a few days instead of rushing, I feel like it's much easier to remember things and see what you might be missing. So yeah, that's a tip if you're packing for quite a big trip. So it is now Monday night, so it's been 2 days since I filmed the last clips, and yesterday my method worked. I realized I'd forgotten to pack my tripod because I was busy using it to film the clips you were watching earlier, and I'd also forgotten sunblock. It's going to be very hot and sunny in the US, so I needed that. So I packed those things, and today I've made a list of everything that I need to pack at the last minute tomorrow night. So things like my face wash, which I'm obviously going to use tonight and in the morning, and then like all of my charges. What else did I have on that list? Oh, I had like socks and undies and other things that are coming out of the wash. So I'm going to be packing those kind of at the last minute as well. So I thought I would finish off this video and kind of show you my progress at the moment. So this is the suitcase. I'm gonna get those extra socks and stuff and stuff them in my shoes so they don't lose shape. But you can see I put my tripod all the way down there. Oh, I also added this little purse in case I want something smaller just to go out in the evenings. And then over here, I've put my hat in and then my big puffy tutu skirt. So that's gonna keep my hat nice and won't be moving around. And also when it comes to coming home, I'm going to put the skirt into my spare little compression packing cell, so that way I have room for shopping. But I mean, I still actually have like this room for shopping at the moment, and I don't plan on buying too many things. I think I'm going to buy one nice thing, but that's another video. Over here I've started laying everything out for my carry-on. I'm also going to take my little Louis Vuitton Speedy bag. So this is like my outfit here. I've got my big camera. This camera I'm holding will also go in there. These are my shoes. I need some socks for those actually. I've got my Kindle, which very clearly needs charging. I've got a pen in here. I've got some socks, my passport. These are headphones, and then these are wireless headphones. I literally just got these in the mail today. I'm very excited to use those. I've got an eye mask and then my skincare set. So I'm hoping, oh, I've also got an added drink bottle to that, but I'm hoping it's not going to be too heavy. Oh, my laptop. I keep remembering all these things that I need to add, and it's stressing me out a little bit. But some of these things, like, I can't pack my laptop now. I'm going to be using that for the next day and a half. So yeah, I am completely exhausted. I have been very, very busy with work and my little freelance stuff at the moment. So I'm sorry if this video has gone up a bit late because I'm planning on uploading it tonight and it's currently like 7:30 already, so I doubt it's going to go up tonight. So sorry that it's late, but I will be making vlogs while I'm in the US. I've decided I'm probably not going to make a vlog for Las Vegas because I'm on a work trip and it's just like me with a whole bunch of other journalists doing travel activities, and we have like a planned itinerary. Don't really feel like vlogging it, but I was thinking about daily vlogging while I'm in New York. So if you are interested, I can't even speak anymore. I need to stop. If you're interested in daily vlogs, leave me a comment, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and yeah, I'm really tired now, so I'm gonna go. Bye!